All right, starting on the next one. This is a McCormick Gearing 2236. I've never heard of that rubber. Must not be a very common one. Checking to make sure we got radiator fluid in it. And then we'll check the oil in this one too, make sure we got. Boy, that's a big radiator, fill hole. So that's just like a compression?
It's a T-bar on the bottom.
Oh. So you have to kind of push it one way and then the other?
You got to get it loose enough to get it below the lip inside there. And there's a cotter pin or keeper on the bottom. So you.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask. Can you drop it in there and then?
If that's not on there, you definitely. Well, this one doesn't have one. Okay. But it just.
Oh yeah, there's fluid in there.
Yep. Nice green juice. So that's all you need. Just loose enough to get that to slide out.
And this one had the 2 gas tanks as well. So the probably would have ran kerosene in the bigger one. That was more common than gas.
So we'll have to make sure to see which line goes to what and run gas in that one. Sometimes they have a bypass.
They only have a line on the big tank.
Okay. Because what they'd have is a bypass valve in it where they could basically shut one tank off, turn the other tank on.
So it looks like they had a kill switch on here at one time. Because right here's the switch, but here's the wire that's come free.
We'll have to see once we open this side up for the magneto. So that we don't need in here.
No, it's just extra weight.
Yeah. Just slow it down a little bit. Okay, so the same.
Isn't this supposed to be hooked up to your... That's your timing. Oh, why do I have a lever up here? Where's the governor? Okay, there's one. Where's the other one at?
So they're hooked together.
They're together?
No, this on the same. So
oh, that one. So it's not. It's a little different than the other one.
So this one's got 2 levers, and then this is your throttle down here.
Well, what's the second lever for?
I'm not sure. I don't recall.
Oh, this is the gas right here where it pulls out.
Yep, that's the throttle.
It's got the notches. I wonder if this one's probably a little older then.
I would assume so. All right, so we're gonna open this up first. Look at the points. Is it gonna let me?
Can you pop that off without pulling that little rod off?
Yeah, I should be able to. I want to kind of see. Is this that wire you're talking about?
Here, I'll wiggle it.
It's pinched in there, I think.
Oh, yeah,
so
that was their kill switch.
Other side.
It's not hooked up anymore, but I suppose it just grounded out the spark, and then that's what shut her down.
I think I'm going to take that screw out of there. Screwdriver up there? Just to get it out of the way. Hopefully it'll clear that. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it will. Put that right there so we forget about it later.
And it vibrates off.
Yep. Go the other way with this guy, you know. There we go. A little clear. Not quite. There it goes. Ooh, that's always good.
Oh, yeah.
That was the back of that. Okay.
At least it wasn't a pile of leaves down there.
No, but it's in a pile of leaves now. That's the kill switch. fell out of there. So there's more pieces. That guy.
Well, you can just choke it to kill it.
Right, so here's the points in here. They actually look really good.
They're not all corroded.
No.
All right, well.
So let me look here to see if these other pieces are sitting here before we get too far. I don't.
You know, I got a magnet light in my truck. That might be able to suck up if it's is it brass or is it steel?
Yeah, brass isn't very magnetic.
Yeah,
though.
but is it brass? You think that fell out of there?
Well,
That looks like steel.
Oh, it's probably stainless.
Oh.
Because there's a magnet right here.
Okay, so that doesn't work then.
What does that ground out to that? Okay.
Well, it looks like they got almost had a nut on the backside.
Unless this thing's threaded. Nope.
Well, I'm going to go grab that just in case it is, because that's a strong magnet on there. I'll pause you guys. All right, so we're back now. Pulled that off. Points look good. Now we got to check for spark.
And I lost that cotter pin.
The one you said, hey, careful, don't drop that. And I said, okay.
Yep.
That one?
Yep.
Here, try this magnet. Which one do you think is stronger?
Probably this one.
Or as I can go, we can rob from something else for now.
Well, we don't do that.
I wonder which way it fell.
Down.
Yeah, but it go down there.
Let's see here.
I don't think. Well, here's that little.
I don't think it went down there.
That little nut.
That's that other one.
Yeah, the one that the replacement that didn't work.
One bad thing with working in the dirt.
Boy, sometimes even when you're working in the garage, they'll bounce and like, where the heck did that go?
Yeah.
In there. Well, I can go see if I can find a different to rob something off of.
Unless we had a little piece of wire.
Well, yeah, this one over here is missing it too. I don't see any wire hanging on any of this stuff. I'll look in my toolbox, see if I happen to have a cotter pin. Because I thought I had thrown some in here back when I was working on the carburetor. That's way cool. I think we got one. Got one.
Cotter pin?
Yeah.
Small enough?
I hope so. Found a bigger one.
Did
and
you
I'm
just
like,
grab it and bring it to your truck and say you found one? Ooh. Yep.
Doesn't that look like?
Yep. Bent just like the one that was in here too.
It's brand new.
Good. All right, now I grab that tool, check for spark. If you want to do
it's right here.
Oh, it is. Yep. Yes, I did pick it up. Do you want that yours back?
No, I don't care. I'll throw that in your toolbox and then you have a spare. This flashlight did find it for me.
Okay, so we'll put that on there. And you want me to crank it this time, or let's see, this one works better, I think.
Oh. Oh, I see. Push that out. There we go. And oh, here I got your leather gloves right here, Brandon.
It's all right. Ready?
Yeah.
Holy moly, this one is kind of warm.
I didn't hear it click yet.
Nope.
Oh, there I saw a spark.
This one's got compression.
Yeah, I've seen that. Go to the next one. You want to make
I think we'll just give it a shot. Put some gas in it and get this one out of here. And if you got a spark on one, most likely you'll have it on all of them.
Yeah, pretty good chance. We'll find out how good this thing pull starts with. It's got those metal strips on the wheels.
At least it'll be a smoothish ride.
You want to dump that old gas out of the bowl?
Yep. They're getting dirty. Gloves
I
are
should have grabbed my light to look in here to see how rusty it looks. If at all. It's laying by your toolbox. How do I get up there safely?
safely.
You got these lugs on there to climb right up.
Safely.
There's a little bit of sand in the very bottom, but not a little bit of rust. Not bad.
The sand will help filter.
Well, so it's got a stem sticking up that's above the sand. So,
Ooh, that smells lovely.
you know, they got an international sign lane here. I don't think this goes with this tractor. We'll set that over on this one for now. We don't break anything. All right.
You like their... Oh.
Woo, you can smell that gas. The old stuff I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That should be enough, huh?
Look what color it is.
Green.
Oh, it is. Leprechaun gas.
Well, I wonder. I doubt they would have had mixed gas in here. I wonder why it's just that tarnished. Usually you see it go brown. Oh. Yeah. Watch the silt pour out of there. You got a rag on your side?
Mm-hmm. Probably splash a little gas in there.
Oh, let me grab it. I set it by the wheel here. I think I got carb clean in the truck.
Good. Okay.
Got oil. I got antifreeze. We just put gas in there.
I'm gonna open this up before we put the bowl back on, just make sure it flows below it. Maybe. Oh, yep. Green gas. Oh, now it's clear. Okay, so that's good.
Just checking to make sure the tank's not obstructed. So I would assume that back in the day, this line here is where the kerosene or the gas, whatever they were running, came in that line because it's got the little flare on there. That was probably the other fuel line.
Yeah, that's filling up. Okay.
You want to check that again, or should
Yep,
I try pulling it?
Grab that crescent wrench and open that up.
We're going to try to pull start this one like we did the last one.
This one's going to be a lot louder too.
Well, this one actually has a pipe to get the noise up higher.
Yeah, there's a hole in the hole right here.
That ain't that big a hole. All right, gas line's not obstructed. All right, well, I might as well get this one in place.
Yep. Definitely tell somebody used a pair of pliers on this, which is...
I seen it. She's a little rounded.
Not a good deal. It happens, but...
Climb up on your throne.
Yep.
Now, when this one starts, make sure you do a burnout with it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, let's go. And low range.
Get out of here first.
We're going to try to pull you straight.
What was that?
Well, how do you put this one in four-wheel? You may feel a slight jerk. Well, what the heck?
Hold on. Are they turning? Okay, go slow. Go slow.
Yep.
Okay, hold it. Might just slide.
She won't go?
I don't think I could keep trying.
Yeah, we're dragging that wheel on this side.
Just go.
Oh.
Okay, hold it. Okay. Faster.
We got some holes, so we got some more traction. We're just skidding here. Maybe up there we'll get where it's drier. I was worried about this one not being able to pull start because of the steel bands on it. Wrong gear. I figured maybe we try in the dry dirt, it might give us a better chance.
Might just be that much compression too. Might, if it doesn't do it this way, I think what we should do is pull the plugs. We just rotate it without the plugs in and just make sure it rotates decent.
Okay. All right, so I'll pull you up there.
Yep.
Faster or slower? Did it turn over at all?
No, it just locked up. I think I heard it click once, but...
Well, should we try hand turn it, see if we get her...
Oh, we already did that, though. You mean to see if it's locked?
Yeah, just to get her, maybe get some lube going, or... Remember, I grabbed it and moved it.
No, it could start, too. Just...
Jeez, that thing turns hard.
This might be that tight.
Well, we'll try see if she'll turn over on the dry ground.
Yeah, I'll just go slower with it.
Slower?
Yeah, should be all right.
All right.
Because then I can just ride the clutch till it a little bit too.
I don't think we need it in four-wheeler anymore. There, no rings. Ready?
Yep.
There we go.
Just bring it up there, we'll pull the plugs.
Okay. Hopefully you guys are seeing it. I'm just guessing where it's at. That's probably good.
That's good.
We can shut her down. Ugh.
I think this one's gonna be a little bit ornery.
Well, I was worried about having those steel bands on there.
Yeah.
Well, that other one that was stuck on me, I ended up putting chainsaw gas oil in there down the cylinders. The way it got some lubrication.
That's a...
Do you want tape to number these so you make sure you get them in the right firing order?
I think we'll just do one at a time here.
Oh, I thought you were going to pull them all out and turn it over.
Yeah. Should be all right.
I got sockets in my truck.
Yeah, this isn't big enough. Got to be bigger than 13/16.
I'm guessing
7/8.
Whoops. See if that one fits.
Nope. Bigger than that even.
Oh, I can go up to the barn and get more. What do you think, 1 inch? Because that won't even.
No.
I doubt you can get pliers in there. Yep, kind of made a mess over here. But here's a 1 inch normal socket. See if that. Only problem is
About that size. Yeah, you need a deep well at least.
yeah. I was trying. Hopefully that.
Yeah.
Is that 1 inch?
No. Close.
Yeah, she won't fit through there.
Mm-mm.
All right, well, I can go up to the barn and see if he's got a 1 inch. Yeah, we'll pause that. We're going to pause you guys because it's kind of boring. All right, so what we did, since it was turning over so hard, we pulled the plugs and just dragged it around. Just make sure. And she pulled over hard, but now she kind of freed up. So we're hopeful that now we put the plugs in there, she'll have compression. That
primed up, and
hopefully she pops off because, yeah, it should have gas up into everything. Excuse me.
I got my cutters.
And we labeled each spark plug wire just to make sure we didn't screw up and get it in the wrong order. That's all we need.
So 1 goes to 4.
Yep.
Okay. Good.
I've been watching Pluto TV, and they have Drew Carey on there. Some of the later episode, towards the end. Oh, they had some good ones on there. Lewis and Oswald.
There we go.
We got gas. We had spark, so we should be good to go again.
Yep. Hopefully it'll pop right off. And
well, here, just hand crank it. See if you can get her to go that way.
Okay, get right on that. Oh, you actually are?
I'll give her a pop. What if she started? Wouldn't that be cool? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, it turns over a lot easier.
I've just been sitting too long.
All right, let's pull start it.
I'm going to leave that cover open right now just so I can watch the fan.
I wonder if I can do... not really. All right, key on. Second. Low.
Good.
You ready? Dragging it again. May want to get a lot of the greasy dirt. I don't want to go. There you go. It's running. All right. Neutral. and pull the chain. Uh-oh. We're rolling back. Let's put the car key loader on. Use this. You can feel everything running in there. One hand in, one loud. Alright, I'll go move that one out of your way. Do another loop like I did last time. Yes, you just want to check that off and we'll go around it. What's that? Just check that off and we'll go around it. Oh, okay. Smells good. Gee, look at all the room up here. Hot dog. Alright. Alright, you found reverse. Oh yeah, that thing sounds good. Now hopefully we don't get stuck trying to get up that greasy hill. This one has a full throttle. See how that works? It's kind of different. Then they push up. They push metal pants on the hook. That'll smooth it right. You like that? Yes, it just looks like early 30. Hell, you better not go down that hill. When I like that, you have to get to the track and get back up. Let's go off by all of it. Alright. See a pond up here. Take a look out at her. I'll go up on the deck if you want to play around. Maybe he's not even home. Tom's sleeping. Do you see a view though? $22.36. We'll drive away quietly, not to wake him. He's on the other side of the house. This road here? Now we're in road here? Hang on, everyone. Knocked up my sticker. Oh man, we got two of them, boy. Get your big suicide handle on there. There she goes. Put her back in the shed, but another one running. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun so far. We got 2 of them today so far. I'll see how much time Brandon's got to play yet. I'm gonna bring this one back over. But yeah, there it goes. Thanks, guys. Please hit subscribe. It's free. It don't cost nothing, and it helps me grow the channel and make sure to keep doing this. Otherwise, no one liking it. What's the point? All right. Thanks, guys.